Hi guys, welcome to Shaka channel. So, one of the best options is called Facebook events. So, Facebook event creation time, lot of questions on my mind. So, how we can create the Facebook events? So, guys, I'm explaining about the one of the best websites called Rudraiti Solutions. This website providing for Oracle trainings like Oracle Labs, Oracle Fusion. They're providing for this kind of trainings. In this particular training, any kind of demo, how we can promote. First of all, the demo we can design from the using Canva option, using Canva. So event will be creation through profile wise and through page wise. When you click event, the showing events are there. Click the new event type, online or in person. Which type of event you create? Click the event, general class, click for class, free or paid, free demo. So they will be completely creating for your particular profile purpose. They all will be using for profile purpose. But we can creating for which purpose page? We have targeted the page wise. Go to page here. In the left corner, events option is there. Suppose there is can't visible event option. Go to more. Here, edit tab option will be given. Go to tab option and add the event option here. So only few options are here in this. I'll go to setting. They are using for tabs are there. Template tabs, add the event option. If it's not showing to the your page left side, click the event. The event creation completely changed from the Facebook. Create new event. Clear online or in person. Online video chat with the messenger rooms, broadcast with the Facebook live and add on the external links. In person, get together with the people in specific location. But we give the online training demo. So we go setting for online. General, add event detail and a cover photo and choose your audience. Class, schedule live and interactive with the class. So I'm not go with the live right now. Schedule live. Is the event details and cover photo. Click here. It is free or paid. If it's online live purpose, add the link. Click for the free option. Here, now we can add your details. Oracle Labs online training demo. So what are the date will be? 14th. It will be 7:30 a.m. Location. You can add your page name. So don't changing for another option. Here. Details. All details will be given. Category. Cause, community, craft, dance, drink, fitness, number of things are there. You can add in for networking. Click for next. Facebook Live, external link, other. We can give the link will be your particular website. We can add give the contractors pay link also. Select it. Enable any country restrictions. If you have add it. Main thing, we can add your demo image. The image design from in a particular format. So the design will be compulsory important. So properly design and finally click the create event option. In this event, we can promoting from the Facebook through ads also. Nothing but through Facebook ads. There is nothing but boost post option. This event link directly will be promoting boost post option to reach the audience on the particular Facebook events. Sir, one page, how many events will be create? N number of events you can create. So here, boosted event, any content will be ready. Select your age in this budget. So minimum 3 days budget. 240 rupees the reaching will be here in this 3 days, 380. We can use this one. Why? Because the minimum we can use less budget, they got error will be here. Why? Because we have to follow the minimum daily budget is 80 rupees. If we will be go for 2 days, you can decrease the budget. Less than, don't accept. So this will be appropriate for the particular option. So if you're selecting only 1 day, click here. So minimum starting with the 80 rupees. The reach will be 2,200 to 6,400 people reach per day option. This is even will be promoting from through Facebook. So I have to reach more audience, more public will be reaching purpose. We can creating for boost post option also will be applicable. This will be reaching for more public on the particular event option. So this is the we can way to promoting for your event also. If you're not interested, you can go to back, close it option. This event will be sharing from your Facebook page option. Click here, share. Here link will be copied, shared into other event, share to group option. This link we can copy here. Anywhere will be open this link URL. So automatically event will be shown to the customer. If anyone interested, click for join event. First of all, login important. Without login, we can't. If you're sharing any event link, this is event option. Facebook.com/events/ your numeric code will be given by the particular event option. So here, what are the discussion? So if you want post anything in this, copy link and post here. When post this option, click for in this particular post here. So along with image, you have to post, select image, click here, upload it. Image will be uploaded here and click for post option. So this is nothing but 1 day to left, 2 day to left. We have to show something about this one. The people easily reaching for your particular event. This all event we can show to the where your public will show your Facebook profile option. So I'm creating page option. They can't show the profile. Nothing like that. What are the event creating and page? They show on your profile also. See this one here. So what are the event you create? That all will be shown here in the particular Facebook profile also will be shown to the customers. Anyone we can see the events. Go to the profile option. In this, click the event option. There is the event will be shown to the particular customers. So this is the method we can creating events to promote your class or any training, any particular things. You can go this option. Major thing is called your categories more preference. What are the categories you select? That is important. Cause, comedy, craft, dance, drink, film, fitness, food, game. So for your rating, health related, you can any event. Go with this one. I'm selecting only networking to connect the people to your business. So this is the method we have to create events to schedule your post reaching the audience purpose. So organic wise, paid wise only one different. Organic to share your groups. Paid wise, we can spending the budget. So any question about the Facebook events, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.